Welcome back to Fair Value Study. Markets reopened after the Memorial Day holiday, and Wall Street came back with real momentum. Let's break down everything that moved the markets on Tuesday, May 26th. Starting with the headline numbers, the S&P 500 gained 0.61% to close at 7,519, while the Nasdaq Composite jumped 1.19% to finish at 26,656. Both indexes closed at fresh all-time record highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average bucked the trend, sliding 118 points to close at 50,461. Overall, a constructive session to kick off the holiday-shortened week. Now, the story of the day is Micron Technology. Shares surged nearly 19%, pushing Micron's market cap past the $1 trillion mark for the very first time. The catalyst came from UBS, which nearly tripled its price target, stating the stock will re-rate higher as investors realize RE's long-term impact on the memory industry. This milestone is no accident. Micron previously noted its entire 2026 supply of high-bandwidth memory chips is sold out, with next-generation HBM4 already in production. Micron now joins Nvidia, Broadcom, and TSMC in the elite trillion-dollar club. The broader semiconductor sector caught fire alongside Micron. AMD gained nearly 6%, Broadcom rose close to 5%, and on Semiconductor added nearly 9%. The Varnex Semiconductor ETF, ticker SMH, gained over 3%, hitting a fresh 52-week high. On the geopolitical front, crude oil jumped as Middle East tensions remained elevated. President Trump posted on Truth Social that U.S Iran peace talks are proceeding nicely, but warned of a return to the offensive if negotiations fail. With U.S military strikes continuing in southern Iran and Iran vowing retaliation, Brent crude surged over 3% to close near $99.58 a barrel. On the bond side, Treasury yields fell across the board, fueling the tech rally. The 10-year yield dropped more than 8 basis points to 4.485%, while the 2-year note fell 7 basis points to 4.057%. In individual movers, Oklo rose 6% after the Department of Energy selected the company for advanced discussions on using Cold War-era plutonium as reactor fuel. On the downside, Walmart faced selling pressure, testing its 200-day moving average around $116 following its latest earnings. Looking ahead, the key focus this week is Friday's Personal Consumption Expenditures Index. Economists expect a year-over-year headline reading of 3.8%, which will be critical in shaping Fed rate expectations for the rest of 2026. The bottom line, AI infrastructure spending is the dominant force driving this market. Micron's trillion-dollar milestone proves the memory cycle has fundamentally shifted. Geopolitical risks remain, but the bulls are firmly in control. Stay disciplined, watch the data, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. This video is for educational and informational purposes only.